आओ झुककर सलाम करें उनको जिनके हिस्से में ये मुकाम आता है। खुश नसीब होता है वो खून जो देश के काम आता है। Morning to one and all present here today, I Nidhi Ruhul stand before you to speak few words on Republic Day. Republic Day is celebrated every year in India on January 26. On this date in 1950, the Constitution of India came into force after the country gained independence from British rule for over 200 years. On November 26, 1949, the Constituent Assembly of India adopted the Constitution of India, which came into effect on January 26, 1950. Indian Constitution is the world's largest written constitution. The great leaders and freedom fighters of our country are Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, Lala Lajpat Rai, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Lal Bahadur Shastri, etc. These people fought continuously against the British to make India a free country. It is because of their struggle that today we are living in a democratic country where each citizen has right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, cultural and educational rights, right to constitutional remedies. India is a very democratic and just nation where each citizen is allowed to choose the leader who deserves to lead the nation. Although there have been many improvements till now, few deterioration have also came with it, such as unemployment, lack of literacy, pollution, poverty and so on. All we can do is promise today to solve this type of issue together as people of this nation to make this country one of the best nations in the world. The national flag is hosted at Rajpath on the occasion of Republic Day. Then the national anthem is sung with 21 gun salute. In 1957, the government launched the National Bravery Award for Children. Bravery Award is given to the children below 16 years of age for bravery in different fields. Important honors like Ashok Chakra and Kirti Chakra are given on this occasion of Republic Day. After this, our army performs its power demonstration and parade march. After that, the jhakis of states perform. I would like to wind up my speech followed by a moment of silence for the great leaders and freedom fighters who sacrificed their lives so that we can live in a democratic nation. Every Indian should now forget that he is a Rajput, a Sikh or a Jat. He must remember that he is an Indian. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.